Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed, and today I will be explaining about how our body responds when the immune system is attacked by a novel virus. I will talk about how B and T cells get activated and how antigen-presenting cells works and how these two are combined to eliminate the viral virus.
When a virus enters the body, it often enters through droplets from an infected person, and it begins to invade healthy cells, and it will start replicating. And inside our body, the virus spreads rapidly, and the immune system must act fast, right? And the first key event is detection, and the immune cells notice something foreign. And for this, it will trigger the adaptive immune response, which involve T and B cells. These are highly specialized defenders of our body. Now please let's look at how these immune cells are activated using the following slides. Difference between our immune cells, we'll see through this slide. It talks about the difference between T cells and B cells, right? And our T cells comes in two types. There is the CD4 T helper cells, and we have CD8 cytotoxic T cells. Our CD4 helper T cells coordinate the immune response, while the CD8 will kill all infected cells. And also the B cells, on the other hand, they mature into the plasma cells that produces antibodies. Right, so T cells attack all infected cells directly, while the B cell produce molecules that neutralizes the virus. So here we have a diagrammatic representation of T cell activation. All right, and this will tell us about how T cells are activated during a viral infection. The antigen-presenting cells, such as dendritic cells, will capture the virus and will break it down and present a piece of it on the MHC molecule class 2. And so the helper T cell will recognize this antigen using the T cell receptor shown here as TCR, right? And other molecules such as CD4, CD28, and CD3 will help stabilize the interaction. Once the binding occurs, signal transduction will begin and the T cell become activated. The activated helper T cells then will release cytokines, and these will guide and amplify the entire immune response, including activating cytotoxic T cells. Our next slide talks about superantigens. So superantigens are actually abnormal antigens that activate the T cells non-specifically, right? Although they are not part of normal viral infection, they will help illustrate how important proper antigen recognition is to prevent excessive immune activation. In this slide, let's look how B cells are activated. Right, the B cell receives two types of signals. The first signal is it occurs basically when a B cell receptor binds directly to the viral antigen, and the second signal comes from a helper T cell through CD40 and CD40L interaction. Right, and once both these signals are received, B cells proliferate and mature into plasma cells that release thousands of antibodies. And B cell eliminate the virus. This can occur through the activation of the followings, which can lead to the viral elimination. The first one is cytotoxic T cells. These kill all infected cells and they will stop the virus from replicating. Next one is the antibodies from the B cells. The antibodies will neutralize all free-floating viruses. Together, the cytotoxic T cells with the antibodies from the B cell, this mechanism will clear all infection from our body. Next, let's talk about the memory cells. After the infection is clear, our immune system will form the memory cells, the memory T cells and memory B cells. These will remain in our body for a long-term period, giving us a rapid and strong protection in case the virus returns. To summarize, antigen-presenting cells can detect the virus and activate the T cells. Furthermore, the T cells coordinate the immune response. Also, cytotoxic T cells will kill all infected cells, and B cell will produce antibodies. Our memory cells will ensure a long-term immunity. This is how our body successfully eliminates a viral infection.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and remember, Our body is always learning. Antigen attacks it and antibodies protect you. Thank you.